So, welcome students. In continuation to our previous discussion, we will discuss further on the parts of the internal combustion engine. So, as I said, we stopped on the flywheel. Previously, we were discussing about the parts, and one of the major parts is the flywheel. So, which is the part which is next to your connecting crankshaft. So, what happens in an engine is that there are four major strokes in an engine. So one is suction stroke, where air will be sucked inside. The inlet valve will be opening and the air fuel mixture will be coming inside in case of a petrol engine, or air will be coming inside in terms of a diesel engine or a compression ignition engine. So that is called as suction stroke. And the second stroke is called as the compression stroke, where the air fuel mixture will be compressed. And third stroke is the power stroke, where petrol fuel mixture, petrol fuel air mixture is ignited through the spark plug, or air diesel mixture is burnt in a compression ignition engine. So that is a power stroke where power will be developed. And the next stroke is the exhaust stroke, where exhaust gases will be pushed outside of the combustion chamber with the help of a exhaust valve. So among these four strokes, only one stroke produces energy, that is power stroke. So how rest of the three strokes happen, which gives power to these three strokes? So as I said before itself, engine is a self-propelling machine. So once you start the engine, then you will not be providing any form of work input to the engine. Input is not given, work input is not given, only work output is obtained. So it works automatically. So how power is given for three strokes? Are you providing power for the suction stroke, compression stroke, as well as exhaust stroke? No, it happens on its own. So how it is happening? It is happening with the help of a flywheel. So flywheel is nothing but it is a large wheel with huge mass. So if you have seen the conventional diesel engines which are used to pump water from the well. So if you have seen the big open wells, there will be a diesel engine which will be in olden days, there will be a diesel engine which will start by rotating a big wheel. So that wheel is actually called as a flywheel. So the purpose of flywheel is it stores the energy. It is an energy storage device. So how energy is stored? Because it is stored in the form of inertia. So during the power stroke, huge amount of power is released. So some part of that energy will be stored inside the flywheel. So how it is stored is because when you rotate a body with huge mass, whenever there is mass for the body, there will be inertia. So inertia is opposing force to motion. So when a body is in rest and it is subjected to motion, what happens is that it will resist the motion. So higher the mass, higher the resistance. So imagine there are two friends standing right besides you. One friend is thinner, another friend is somewhat bulkier. So which friend will be easier for you to push forward? So one which is lean, you can push him easy compared to the bulky friend. That is because he's having lower inertia compared to the bulky friend. So inertia is the resistance to motion. So higher the body, higher the mass of the body, higher the inertia. So flywheel has higher inertia because it is high in weight. So when it tries to move, it stores the energy. So once the higher body wheel is rotated, it will keep on rotating because it stores energy. So that stored energy is utilized during this rest of these three strokes. So that stored energy is used to drive the suction stroke, compression stroke, as well as exhaust stroke. So this is the purpose of flywheel. Flywheel is used to drive the engine during these three strokes. So other than that, you have a carburetor which is used for mixing the air and petrol together. So carburetor will be present only in a petrol engine. A diesel engine, you will have a fuel injector. So this is regarding the parts of the IC engine. I hope you understood these parts. Thank you.